Hi everybody, Dr. Perez here once more, and if you're struggling with TMJ pain, whether it's jaw discomfort, headaches, or muscle tension, then listen up because today I'll be talking about holistic solutions or therapies for TMJ pain, okay? By combining chiropractic care with advanced services like Winback, acoustic wave, or cold laser therapy, we can create a personalized, non-invasive treatment plan that addresses the cause of your pain and helps you heal naturally. So let's start with Winback therapy. This cutting-edge electrotherapy targets muscle tension, inflammation in your jaw, neck, and shoulders. It sends gentle electrical pulses that stimulate circulation, relaxes the muscles, and promotes healing, giving you a faster relief from the pain and discomfort from TMJ dysfunction, all right? Another great therapy is the acoustic wave therapy, which uses sound waves to break down scar tissue, increase blood flow, and reduce inflammation in the area. This loosens up the tight jaw muscles and promotes recovery so your jaw can move freely and comfortably. This therapy also promotes collagen production, supporting tissue repair and improving the overall function of your jaw. An additional great therapy for TMJ is called laser therapy. This therapy uses low-level light to stimulate your cells and reduce inflammation. It also speeds up the healing process, reduces pain, and accelerates tissue recovery, which is great for these symptoms that often comes with TMJ dysfunction. Cold laser therapy also provides faster recovery and long-lasting results for TMJ sufferers. When you combine these therapies with chiropractic care, you get a well-rounded approach to treating TMJ. Remember, chiropractic care ensures that your body is in the best possible alignment, which supports the healing process and prevents future flare-ups from TMJ pain. So if you're tired with relying on medication or invasive treatments for your pain, then solutions like chiropractic care combined with therapies like Winback, acoustic wave, and cold laser therapy is your answer to living pain-free. So don't wait longer. Visit us at synergyofedo.com and book your appointment.